Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 39 Hannon Road. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property with a lovely ground floor extension to the rear. Okay, then moving into the property, we have the hallway here with stairs up to the first floor. And we also have a lovely ground floor cloakroom. And into the separate reception room. Really well presented throughout the whole property. Having a lovely bay window facing towards the front aspect. And then continuing through where we have this lovely large open plan living space. With Velux windows and bifolding doors leading through to the garden. And kitchen area, which includes a fridge freezer, dishwasher, double oven, gas hob. And also a useful utility room, washing machine and additional sink. And then onto the first floor landing. And we have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor, starting with the main bedroom here at the front of the property. And across to bedroom 2, another nice size double room, and this one facing the rear aspect. And we have bedroom 3, currently utilised as a dressing room. And then around to the bathroom, really nicely fitted with a modern suite and also having a shower over bath and a useful built-in storage cupboard. Okay, then just moving outside into the garden, we have the patio area leading down to the main garden and pathway along to the garage at the rear. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.